Hello everyone, welcome to Vimarsha IAS. My name is Navdeep and I am Sociology faculty at Vimarsha IAS. Today Vimarsha IAS is going to launch a very interesting program related to sociology. So the name of the program is Sociology Through Writing. So before going to discuss the feature of this program, it is very important to note the schedule of this program. You can also download this schedule from our website and you can also collect it from our office. So let us see the schedule of this program. Sociology through writing. So this one is the schedule, and now we will discuss the features of this program, Sociology through writing. Basically, it's a test series program, and in this test series, we will cover more than 420 questions. More than 420 questions will be covered, and these questions are basic level, advanced level, and then we will have an integrated approach. Integrated approach means the basic level and covering of the entire current affairs, so that you have a very good control over sociology. So the number of tests will be 36. 26 are sectional in nature and 10 are full length in nature. Then what should be the difference between these two tests? 26 are sectional in nature, they are basic level tests. Once you complete this 26 test, definitely you will score more than 300 marks. Now these are 10 full length tests. They are advanced level tests. These tests are based on UPSC pattern. So once you complete 36 tests, I will assure you that definitely you will score more than 300 marks in sociology. Now what should be the most important feature of this program? The most important feature is that discussion of all the sectional tests. I will take the discussion of all the sectional tests. So even there is no need to take any crash course lectures. This one is the first program related to sociology. We have basically 5 programs, but in this video lecture we will discuss only one program, the first program, that is Sociology Through Writing. So discussion will be there for every test, all the sectional tests. Now second important feature of this test is handwritten model answer. This is a very different initiative taken by Vimarsha IAS, that all sectional tests, all 26 sectional tests, model answer will be provided, and they are handwritten model answer. And always remember one thing, these all model answer are made by me. I am the only faculty of sociology at Vimarsha, and the model answer, all the model answer are built by me. The third important thing which I want to discuss here, why this is important, copy evaluation. Evaluation is very important in UPSC. So copy evaluation within a limited period of time, 2 days. Copy evaluation, your copy will be evaluated within 2 days or at max 3 days. And remember my face, I am the only person to check your copies. Okay? So 2 days, at max 3 days. Now the question arises, sir, how it's possible for you to check the copies within a limited period of time? Then the reason is only one. Not more than 50 students are allowed to enroll in this batch. Not more than 50 students. Now the second reason is that out of 50 students means not more than 50% people are able to write their test on time. So it is very easy for me to check the copy, all the copies personally. So these are the program. This one is a very different initiative taken by Vimarsha IAS, and I am assuring you that once you enroll in this program, there is no need to study anything of sociology. Definitely you will score 300 marks. And what are the features? There are lots of features. I will provide you the universal facts, the structural format for each and every topic. So this one is the first program of sociology. We have another 5 program, and we will discuss that program into the next video. So this is all about this program. Thank you so much.